The typeface I want to introduce is the Times New Roman. The reason why I choose this font is that every professor asks students to use this font as a requirement. I'm curious why everybody requires that for paper writing. When it comes to Times New Roman, the birth of this font has a lot of story. In 1929, Stanley Morrison wrote a letter to newspaper The Times, complaining that the font was ugly, stupid, and outdated, and need to be corrected by an expert, which is himself. Then Morrison collaborated with Starling Burgess and Victor Landon to develop a new font, Times New Roman. So on October 3rd, 1932, Times New Roman appeared on the newspaper The Times. After the first adoption of Times New Roman in newspaper The Times, this excellent typeface quickly won a favor of public and achieved great success. After that, Times New Roman became one of the classic typeface and is still widely used in books, magazines, reports, official documents, advertisement, screen display. The reason why Times New Roman has been wildly successful in the world is that it is suitable for newspaper The Times. Times New Roman is now grand and open, decent, and full style. On the other hand, it is a magic weapon to save money for print machines. It is narrow, paranoid, and mean, which means that it pays more attention to practical use and does not allow luxury road. Since the advent of Times New Roman, each edition of newspaper The Times can print more pages, but it doesn't seem crowded. It saves space and makes money. It's really easy to read and economical. Times New Roman expansion has now stopped it on paper, but it was used in daily newspaper. The new font quickly became popular among printers of the day. In the decades since, typesetting device has evolved, but Times New Roman has always been one of the first fonts available for each device, including personal computer. In 1990, Microsoft determined Times New Roman as default font of Windows system. This factor makes Times New Roman a classic spanning time. Until now, Times New Roman is one of the default fonts available when writing email in Gmail. Objectively, Times New Roman is a workhorse font that's been successful for a reason. It can make the text very formal, decent, and professional. Here is some example of use in Times New Roman. Thanks for watching.